Boom! I can see him, but I can't see it on my phone. Little squirrel. Where's he going?
Oh, fuck it, I'm having...
Oh, he's there.
It's coming back to you!
Woo! He's on one. Look at him go. Mission. That way, Foster, straight over. He's there. Yo, he's on a mission. He's down there. Just run down there. You'll get him. Did he? Oh, he's gone up the tree.
The one with all the leaves on it.
This is Foster trying to find a squirrel.
He went up it.
Try climbing up. Foster, try chasing it up the tree.
Probably won't.
Some really bad golfers. Oh my.